So if you've been watching my videos for a little while, you'll probably know that my preference is to use a reflector board over an LED or a light board. But I think I may have finally found an LED board that could just change my mind. Hey. Subscribe! So just here we have a small dent in the rear door of this Focus. Right now I've got my standard reflector board and I'm just using the natural daylight to read my damage. So I've got my dent just here and you can see as the lines are distorted just where that dent is. So this is my standard setup with a reflector board. So now taking a look at the same damage with my LED board. Got a really nice bright reflection. Now this board is from BLE Tools, great company for PDR tools here in the UK. And they've set this board up just how I like it. So these lines are 3mm width with 3mm gap in between. So that gives us a really nice tight grid, a tight line to work with. Now, like with most LED boards, there is a dimmer switch. So just here you can adjust the brightness. So sometimes you want to reduce the glare. Often working with these LED boards, you can get quite a bright reflection, a bit of a glare, and it can give you a headache if you're working with it for a long time. So being able to dim the reflection and have low light is really important for me. But of course, being here in the UK, quite often we have some dull, really grey days. So being able to adjust the brightness and turn it up, give you a really nice, clear, bright reflection to work with as well. And you can see all of the detail in there. This thing shows you all of the texture in the paintwork and any little micro imperfections in that paint. You've got 4 strip lights in here and you can control them individually. So when it comes to the finishing stages, if you just want one light towards the end, you can isolate it to just one part of the board that's lit up. It's got a manual pump, so it's a lot lighter than the battery packs, but this thing is super strong. Really nice strong neck and arm. And then we're now on USB power. So this is much more versatile. The charge lasts for ages and it's quick to charge. Now one of the best features is that the wiring is all this side contained into the board. So with some of the other LED boards, the wiring from the board runs through the neck to the battery pack. The problem with that is the more you bend and twist this round and adjust your board, those wires can get caught. And as what happened with mine, the wires broke and my LED lights stopped. So by containing all of the wires and all the packet into this side of the module, it leaves the arm and the mount completely free. So the other thing I like about this board is it is super lightweight. So it's really easy just to move around as you're doing your repair. You've got a manual suction cup and this one's super strong. Good neck and arm into the back. You've got a neat battery pack that just slides into the casing. All of that wiring is internal. And along at the bottom, you've got that red dimmer switch and the 4 separate buttons to isolate your LEDs. So this is the mini version and it's from BLEtools.com. So that's a run through and a little review on a brand new mini LED light from BLE Tools here in the UK. I'm going to put a link to this product directly below this video in the description. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favour. Can you just hit that subscribe button just below this video? It takes seconds to do and it massively helps my channel grow. And I really appreciate it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and as always, I'll see you in the next.